Okay, look, all this is ice. See, there is your filter, there is your compressor. Right there is your compressor. This is your line. It's full of ice. See how thick is the ice? See how thick? See? Look. So we gotta let it make that, and we have to come back and check all the pressure, and then we can see if he need more freon. But right now we have to shut it down. There's no way. There's no reason for the unit to be working. It's not doing nothing. So we gotta shut it down. And like I say in the other video, see right here, okay? It's not good. We gotta replace all the bedding and everything. So, and I had to order it. Today is Saturday. It has to be Monday. But that is one problem with that one unit. Here, see how it's leaking water? That's not good. Nobody put a drain in here. It has to be a drain like this and there. See? That one has a drain. But you see the others units, all of one has a drain. That one right there has a drain. See? Right here, in a drain. This unit I think is not working. It's old unit too. That's not working.